Well, me trying to do this video for I don't know how many times. I always begin recording, I say something, and then I stop. But I think this time we will keep going. Let me get water here. We're going to do some seeding. I already did a lot of gardening, like veggies and everything, and it was different to begin everything without my little companion that always was checking what I did. I think the last time that we did garden together, yeah, I have a little film here that I will show you. It was when we were cleaning the beds to begin the planting. I need to take care of these. I was able to take care of the grass. It's growing so fast now that I mow. I need to take care also of all the trimming with my trimmer, but this bed where I put the mulch is good, where I didn't is not good, so let's take care of that. Frosty is just like that. Where are you? He's hiding there in the shade. It was nice. I think I will keep that always for memory of our last gardening day. It's amazing. I was thinking about how long it since he's gone, and I never noticed that it's this long. And I'm still thinking that he will come behind me, and I still feeling like if I am in my computer that he is around. But well, that's life, right? Yeah, I was a little depressed and didn't want to do videos until I feel better, because I wanted to get out of that first. The last that I like is be showing or cry videos. That's not the idea. These are memories, and I'm happy that I preserve so many memories with everything thanks to these videos. A lot of times I think I will quit and stop doing, but then I love that anytime I can come back. I haven't watched a lot of my videos. I think the ones that I watched were the long time ago videos where I had my other dog, Grace. What's this? Something was growing there. Maybe one of the seeds that I was in. The other day I did this. I got a lot of seedling and everything going. What I'm having here today. Let me see. I don't see what I'm doing. I have the sun here. Okay, so I will begin some cucumbers, winter squash. Oh, I think I will wait for these. These two will wait. Sweet pumpkin, kale, more lettuce. Oh, I have another kale. And I got these seeds, purple serrano. That will do for my husband. So we have these. And this one, what will we do? We'll put the, I have already one with pumpkin. So we'll try some of these. This came from Sherwood. And it's supposed to be a very spicy serrano. My husband loves that kind of thing, so I will put like 2 in each one. That doesn't mean that I will get 2. Usually you have to, it's not too many, so maybe we'll put just 1. I already have some other plants, so I don't want to go crazy on that. Let me make a bag. Serrano. What else? Yesterday I finally began to do some sewing that I have not done in a long time. Well, winter I usually try to do more what is nice. I will not put a lot. I'm just going to hope that sweet pumpkin. The winter ones I will begin a little later. Not yet. What else I wanted to do? More kale or the cucumber. I never planted cucumbers before, so we will test. And I don't do a lot. Well, if they come, it would be great. If they don't, at least I would know that I was not lucky. Are these the pickled ones? No, they're not the pickled ones. I thought that I got the pickled ones before, but I guess no. What we will put now, we will put the kale. Okay, we got these tray done, and now I will do some pots because I don't know what happened with my other trays. I'm missing 2. I'll be back. These ones, yeah. Well, some critter there. That's the problem of leaving this outside. You get some extra critters. Oh, where are the lettuce? Oh, the sun is getting really strong now. Before I continue going, because I need to do more soil, mix more soil. Let me show you. Oh, these also I took care and I clean. Let me show you. I have a video about that. Like I say, I always try to film. Okay, I think it's clean. Wow, kinda. Later I will give up the other one. This is what my husband's been building. That will go at the end of this bed. Oh, I need to clean this bed and put tomatoes. And I think we will have another. Oh, we will put some of these there. I need to buy more. Okay, the sun is coming out. I better hurry up to go to do things outside. That will be good. My car is almost ready. Okay, after many days of rain, again the weeds are coming out. And those are my shallots. I have the camomiles here, they're coming. This one I just planted. I need to put something. I'm planning to put more geraniums there. I'm using this in this way because the bugs keep flying away and not doing good. I think in this way they will be protected from the strong winds, and we'll go in that way. This has a little slug though. And here, this is my old greenhouse. It's a little messy. It's falling apart. I think it's the last year that I have sunflowers here. None has come. This is the one that I just made. I have bachelor's bottoms there. See, they're coming out. Oh, will be a lot of flowers. And these are missing the trays, so for now it would be like that. This it was closed and the bad days of rain. As you see, everything is still growing. This is getting big. This is from the last year. Okay, in the weeds. Oh my gosh. That is banana pepper, onion, sweet peas. Here I have, I will show you the name. I always forget. But it's a plant that when you use for fertilizer later is really good. I need to clean again the weed. Shallots on the border. Roma tomato. Early gourd is pretty weak, but we got the plant in this way. This one is I think we don't remember exactly what we bought. And this one didn't have a tag or anything. So those. Then we have peppers, different kind of pepper. 100 sweet cherry tomato. That is coming strong in a small plant. It's getting really strong. It was so weak like the other one. Here I have radish. Oh yeah, where is? Look at this. Whoever took my little radish and give a bite. So there it is. Radish. I only have 4, so I put seeds for a lot of them, but only 4 coming, or 3. 1 is gone. I have dill. This is not. This is weed. This is one of the ones that we don't know what it is. This is lemon basil. This is supposed to be bok choy, but it went insane with the rains and the weather, and now it's nothing. It's just a plant. We have my gosh, cilantro. Here we have some lettuce, some carrots are beginning, chives are beginning, 2 big bunches of what's the name? Basil. And there we have beets, and we have beets coming, and I have not removed these just because this pollination, they're happy with these. Maybe I will remove only 1 to give a space for more planting. This tree is getting so nice. Love these flowers. I don't know what it is, but it's really nice. Gives a good shade. I wash these little ones. I have the saucers, and I have all these flowers that I want to plant. We'll see which one I get. And I'm making more soil. I'm reusing a lot of the soil and mixing with new one because I know that it still have nutrients. A lot of them were from long time. This needs more water. So we will use this. I finished all that it was here. I have my table clean, and I will just go to remove some weeds before I go inside.